Ho 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 ho. Oh yeah, looking good. Oh yeah. Hey, this is Leroy Heisen with OBX Surf and Sound Fishing. Thank you for coming on the channel. We appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you know when good content is coming. Today's video, we will be making jigs, and more jigs. And I have to put up front and say it up front that please make sure if you decide to do this and get started with this, that you take the proper precautions because you will be dealing with lead, okay? And as you know, lead does cause illnesses and whatnot if you're not careful. I am in the outdoors. The wind is blowing away from me. Please make sure that you have some type of respirator. As you see inside of my bag here, I have a respirator. Make sure you have some type of eye protection and that you're working in a well-ventilated area. You know what I mean. There's some airflow, okay? Don't do this in your garage with the doors closed or you could harm yourself, okay? And also have yourself some gloves. Now, as I do the video, you will notice that I'm not using those things. So just want to put that up front before anything else, all right? So let's get into it. So right now I'm heating up the pot. And just got some new hooks in. And these are my 3/0 hooks from Do It Mold. 328886, I believe is the number. Okay, they look like that. And I have my toothpick somewhere. There it is. I use that to clog up the hole for the jig mold. I'm going to start out with probably quarter ounce, then 3/8, then I'll try to do some 1/8 ounce. See what happens. I had already heated it up once. I can feel that it's got some heat to it. So let's open this mold up and see what we got here. Okay, this is a 3/8 ounce. Let's go quarter ounce. Okay, it went in there pretty good. And I put this here to block that port. See what happens. Sounded good. Let's go ahead and pour. Let's go ahead and pour and see what happens. Middle one. Okay, doesn't take that long. Open it up. Ho 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 ho. Oh yeah, looking good. Oh yeah. Let's open it up and see. Grab it by the snood, I think it's called, or I think it's called the snood. Give it a little shake and a wiggle. Uh-oh, that came off already. All right. Little wiggle. You see what we got there. Ha ha! Look at there. Look at there. Come on. It's working, baby. All right, let's try it again. Bring it in. It's good. Close that port. Now I know it's cooled off a little bit, so it might not come out this time. We'll see. Okay, no spills this time. That's good. I don't think it went all the way through. I don't think it went all the way down in there. Let's open it up. I think it's good enough, actually. I'll take it. Oh, take that snood off. I think it's called a snood. Snood? Yeah. Put that right back in the pot. I'm gonna melt. Here, I'm gonna let it heat up again. I'm gonna go with 3/8 again. I think I'll do 5 of each. Go from there. Make sure you don't touch. Make sure you don't touch that part right in there. It's very hot. You just gotta be careful. Okay, making my jig heads. All right, close it up. Perfect. Perfect. Can't complain whatsoever. Not a bit. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see what we got here. What I have to do is go a little bit higher. Because that got up in there. Oh, I heard something click. Let's see what happens. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Let's see. Not bad. Yeah, that worked out better. That one was like really perfect. Came out good. These are 3/8, so these are going to be the ones that need, when I'm fishing in, maybe 2 or 3 foot of water, maybe a little bit more, and current's moving, so 3/8 will get my jig down quite a bit compared to the 1/8 ounce and the 1/4 ounce. I'm gonna let that heat up a little bit. There we go. That's got some heat to it. It's good. Not hot enough to burn me unless I leave my hand on it for quite a long time. If you notice, I'm using a cotton swab to clog up that hole where the bait keeper would be. That didn't work, huh? That did not work. I think because I poured it too slowly. I think that's the reason why. I'm not keeping that. I'm going to dip it in and reclaim that hook. If you look at it carefully, you can see that it didn't the lead didn't go all the way around the shank. So what I usually do is take a wire brush, have that handy, dip it in, let the lead come off, excuse me. Pour it out, boom, boom, boom. Tap it, and then brush it off. Comes right off. Gotta be careful, because that lead will splatter you. Just be careful. Okay, I have a hook that I can use again. I'm gonna use the same hook, and actually this hook it's heated, so that's a plus too. A little bit of kinetic energy going on in it. Put that right there. Put my stopper in. This mold has been heating up, so I'm pretty confident that that's okay. Close it up. That clack sound, it's good. And let's pour. Pour a little bit extra. Didn't mean to, but it shouldn't hurt. Open it up. Voila, it worked. Okay. I'll just continue this process until I've got all the ones that I needed. There we go. That 3/8 looks good. Gonna catch some fish. You're gonna catch some fish, yo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do one more. Put that stopper in there. Hooks. Goes in pretty easily. I do know something I'm gonna work on already. Open up. Perfect. So guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you don't mind, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let you know when I'm coming on with some more content. I appreciate it. I'm using the GoPro now, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. We'll go from there. All right, take you guys later. Bless you. See you later. Tight lines and all that good stuff. Get out there and walk, do your thing. And I'm looking forward to getting these jigs out to some of you guys. Leanne, Gawain, and Jay, and there's one more. Kyle, I'm getting those out to you. All right, peace out.